Hi everyone, welcome to Naturally Hey, my channel. So I'm all about that bun life, so let's go ahead and get into this video. So I usually start off with my buns on like old dry hair. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put some moisture in it. So I have this spray bottle. I'm just going to spray some water all around my head just to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized. Then I'm going to use Mielle Organics Avocado Hair Milk just to make sure that my hair is good and moisturized. This product does a good job at making sure that my hair is nice and smooth and it smells very good. So next I'm going to use one of my favorite brushes. This brush does a good job at making sure that my hair is detangled, and I'm getting ready to lay it down so it makes it nice and smooth and an easy transition before I get ready to use my hard brush. So to lay my edges, I use HoneyBee's water-based pomade, and it lays my edges down real good all day, every day. And it doesn't have those white flakes like I said in one of my last videos. I use it all the time. I'm ready to lay my edges down. So right after I put the edge control on, I can then go back over with my hard brush to rub everything in, and you can tell the difference already. And so I'm about to go ahead and just put it up in a regular ponytail. So when I get it tight enough on that last hook, I'm going to go ahead and just tighten it right there and fold my hair under, and then I'm going to just fold it out like that. And I'm just realizing that my bun is going to be kind of to the side, but I'm going to do it so where it doesn't look that noticeable. And so don't mind my face in this video. I know I'm looking hella serious. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use some Barbie pins and connect my hair together. So now I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges with this brush. And so I usually just pull some of my baby hairs out using the comb part of the edge brush and then rub it into my hair. So you all can see how I do it right here. So as you can see, this is how my bun turned out. A nice, cute, sleek, high bun in less than 5 minutes. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you try this bun on yourself. And if you do, comment below and let me know how it came out for you. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, all that. Bye, guys.